Top 5 Credit Rebuilding Strategies. The power of knowledge. Before we get started on today's video, I want to stress the idea that knowledge is your greatest ally in your financial journey. The more you understand how credit works, the better position you'll be in to repair it. Strategy 1. Credit Report Analysis. The first strategy is to analyze your credit report. It's crucial to know where you stand, identify any errors, and dispute them. You can download Credit Karma and Borrowell apps to your mobile device and check your reports for free. Strategy 2. Paying on time. Your second strategy is super simple. Try to pay your bills on time each month. This can hugely impact your credit score over time. Strategy 3. Reducing credit utilization. Focus on reducing your credit utilization. That means keeping the amount of credit you use to below 30% of the total available to you. This will demonstrate to potential lenders that you're a responsible borrower. Strategy 4. Diversifying credit types. Mixing it up is the ideal goal. With a good mix of credit showing potential lenders, you can manage different types of debt. So that might mean 1 or 2 credit cards, a small line of credit, a vehicle financing loan, and an overdraft. Mix it up for success. Strategy 5. Seeking professional help if needed. Don't be afraid to seek out professional help. In Canada, licensed insolvency trustees can provide valuable guidance and support to help you clean up your credit and rebuild. Bankruptcy is not your only option. The best option for many people is called a consumer proposal. Your financial freedom. Always remember that these strategies are stepping stones to your financial freedom. It's a journey that requires patience and persistence. With determination, you can rebuild your credit and open doors to new opportunities. With knowledge on your side, you're unstoppable. Did you find this short video helpful? If so, please hit like and subscribe so we can continue creating content for you. Thank you for your support. And please visit our website at www.debtdetoxadvisors.com.